Now what we're going to do is we're just going to splice two pieces of vinyl together. So firstly, what we're going to do is we're just going to go through with our back and snitty and just leave 50mm of paper on, using the lines on the back of the vinyl to follow. We can then take that off, so we leave the 50mm of paper on there. Repeat for the other piece of vinyl that we've got. Same again, 50mm. And the idea here is that we have both our bits of paper overlapping each other. All right, so making sure we're keeping all the grains running nice and straight. So as we can see, we've got the two bits of paper over the top of each other. All right. Now what we do with a straight edge and a really sharp blade is we're just going to cut through everything. So, 15. So that bit comes away. Bit underneath also comes away. And then now what we can do is we can just take the two bits of paper out and meet the two bits of vinyl in the middle. And then with the squeegee we can basically just butt the two joints together. And that's how you splice two pieces of vinyl together.